Hello everyone, welcome to Palmistry and Face Reading channel. Previous video we have seen the importance of sunlight. In this video, little bit more information about sunlight. First, we shall see how to calculate time of occasion on sunlight means at which age fame and respect comes. So both positive or negative result can be seen. Sunline starts from many areas but ends at sun mount. Bottom of sunline you should start at 0. From the headline touching point 36. Divide the 36 into 5 parts. Each part 7 years. From headline touching point to heartline touching point 56 years age. Between headline and heartline 20 years gap. From heartline touching point to sunline top end 75 years or 80 years. Like this you have to calculate the age on sunline. Please see in the picture. If you practice you will get this. And if the person has sunline from heartline, then such person gets fame after 56 years. Means after lot of strugglings he gets. If fate line is good means regarding money he does not lack anything in material things. Fame means respect in the society. And if sunlight starts from the middle of the palm and goes to sun mount, then such person comes up on his own efforts and rises very high in life. Each high respect in the society. If sunlight starts from the lifeline, such person earns more respect in arts field. Means they are many arts like music, dance, actions, etc. He come up in life and lead very respectable life. If sunlight starts from Venus Mount, such person earns fame and respect or money from women. In their life, women will help and they will come up in life. This is applicable for both men and women. Women's suggestion also can be considered. If sunlight starts from Moon Mount and goes to Sun Mount, such person earns respect through business. He attracts public by his words, speeches. He is very intelligent. In childhood only he earns money through scholarships. If sunlight starts from Mars Mount, above Moon Mount, then such person rises in life after 31 to 32 age. I mean rises in respect and fame. Up to that age struggle will be there. I suggest you that if you have in your life fame and respect little bit late in life, then you should develop patience and do hard work. When your time comes, you will shine. So if you don't compare with others' fate, then you lead happy life. By palmistry, you will come to know at what age your luck starts. So you have to understand this, then you will not be in pressure. As you know, all that everybody will burn and one day they have to die. In between this play, if you understand this play, you will lead better life without unwanted pressures. This palmistry can be one of the tools to understand your life, what God has given to you. If the sunline starts from the headline, such person earns respect and fame after 35 years of age and also earn respect by their intelligence and knowledge. Up to 35 years they will struggle for respect. Then they earn the respect after 35 years of age. So most people have this type of sunlines. If sunline starts from heartline, then such persons earns fame and respect late in life. After 45 years, slowly it starts, and after 56, he leads happy life in his further life without any struggle later in the life. He enjoys respectable life after 50 years to end of his life. If sunlight starts from the fate line, such person earns more respect than money. He expects respect for the first, then money next. He is most reputed person in the society. If sunlight starts in between Moon Mount and Mercury Mount from the end of the palm, such person try to earn respect by doing anything. He fights for respect with lot of courage. For example, this type of people can be seen in film industry, political field, and in military field also. People you can see. Okay, friends, I think you earned some knowledge from this video. If you like this video, please watch my previous videos also. Please subscribe, share and like this video. If you want to contact through Telegram channel link given in the description. Thank you very much for watching.